Hey guys, I'm Dan, one of the engineers at Mishimoto. Today I'm going to show you how to install our direct fit oil cooler kit for the 79 to 93 Mustang GP. Tools needed for the 1979 to 1993 Ford Mustang are 10mm socket, ratchet, extension, 10mm wrench, 27mm socket, 1-inch wrench, a torque wrench, oil, and a funnel. Installation time is about an hour and is a 2 out of 5 on the difficulty level.
First thing to do after you prop the hood up with whatever you have available is to jack the car up and securely place it on jack stands. Next thing to do would be to remove the lower splash shield, but since this owner was nice enough to remove it for us, we're going to go ahead and remove the oil filter now.
Okay, now it's time to install the sandwich plate. Now for this kit, you can either purchase it with the traditional sandwich plate to allow use of sensors, or the thermostatic sandwich plate for full temperature control.
If you choose the traditional sandwich plate, you'll have to wrap the supplied fittings in Teflon tape. Next is to attach the line fittings to the bottom of the sandwich plate.
The other thing we're going to do is take a little bit of oil and lube up the O-ring. This will give us a better seal when we install the sandwich plate.
For this guy's car, we're using the Mishimoto thermostatic sandwich plate. Be sure to tighten it down to 35 foot-pounds of torque.
Okay, now it's time to reinstall the oil filter, and then we're going to be good to go.
Next, we're going to bolt the mounting bracket onto the oil cooler.
Okay, now it's time to reinstall the oil filter, and then we're going to be good to go.
The mounting bracket is designed with slots instead of bolt holes, so you can adjust to make sure it's a tight fit. Next, install the lines to the sandwich plate. Once the lines are attached to the sandwich plate, route them around and attach them to the oil cooler.
While you're installing one of these oil cooler kits, a really neat thing that you can do is also install these oil line stays. Now these simply just go right over the line, like so.
and hold the lines from vibrating back and forth, and also adds a little bit of flair to your engine bay. Once everything is tightened up, go ahead and add some oil to the system.
Once you've added the oil to the system, start the car up, let it run for a minute or two, shut it back off, and check the level on the dipstick.
Once everything looks good and buttoned up, take it out for a spin and enjoy your new Mishimoto products.